Today we're going to explore the unique features and uses of our two powerful boosters, the Microfiber Cleaner Laundry Booster and Norwex Bright and White Laundry and Home Booster. I want you to know how to use them, how they're different. So we're going to start with the Microfiber Cleaner. This is your ultimate deep cleaning solution, especially if you're dealing with tough stains and unpleasant odors on your well-loved microfiber, or if they're not absorbing well. This is a must-have. Unlike those harsh chemicals I used to use, like maybe bleach and ammonia, the Microfiber Booster is a safe and effective way to eliminate the tough stains, the odors, the ground-in grime, even in a hard water scenario. It's formulated with enzymes. Just one scoop of this booster breaks down and removes tons of different problems, like stains, like grass stains, urine, blood, sweat, grime, all the things, restoring your laundry and your Norwex cloths to a bright, clean, and odor-free state. It also contains 53% bio-based contents from plant and other renewable resources, making this a really nice eco-friendly choice for my family. You can confidently use this with all your Norwex microfiber products, including those with our Backlock, which is our silver antibacterial agent. So I use it with my EnviroCloths, body cloths, mop pads, just really everything Norwex. I do recommend that you deep clean your Norwex every 2 to 3 months, depending on how often you're using them. It is safe for septic systems. It will definitely keep your fabrics and the environment in good condition. Now, to properly use this, you want to follow these simple steps. I like to fill the sink or a 1-gallon bucket up with really, really hot water, not boiling, and dissolve a full scoop of the booster. Then I add about 10 heavily soiled microfiber cloths. I let them soak for 30 minutes. Then after that time's up, I'll rinse them well, and I'll either tumble or air dry. Now, alternatively, sometimes after soaking, I will place all of those items in the washing machine and wash them on a normal cycle with any of my Norwex detergents, whether it's UPP, the liquid, or the Eco Wash. So now let's move on to Bright and White. This is your bleach alternative. It's a versatile oxygen and enzyme-based cleaner. It's an all-in-one solution for our laundry and our house. It effectively tackles tough stains and odors, and it not only brightens colors and whitens whites in our laundry, but it also shines up various surfaces throughout my home, which I love. I'm going to tell you about that. So in contrast to bleach, which is very limited to white fabrics, and white or lighter surfaces, it can also be very harmful to our health. The bleach alternative, the Bright and White, is a safe and effective option for your family. It's powered by active oxygen, and that's created when sodium carbonate peroxide and water are mixed. And so it delivers a really powerful cleaning performance, cleaning all types of surfaces, and it does contain 4 types of enzymes, which effectively remove a wide range of tough stains. The Bright and White is completely bleach-free, ensuring it won't weaken your textiles and fibers and causing any harm to our skin and eyes, which bleach would always make me feel very nauseous or get a headache. This is USDA certified with 87% bio-based content, promoting an eco-friendly approach to cleaning. So to use the Bright and White, we're going to talk about all the ways to use it. This is a great product for all around the home. So for your laundry, I add about a scoop of this to my washing machine and my favorite Norwex laundry detergent. For soaking or hand washing, I combined anywhere from a half to a full scoop of this with about a half a scoop of our Ultra Power Plus laundry detergent if I'm doing a lot, a little bit less laundry detergent for less laundry. You can also use it with the Eco Wash laundry detergent strips in about 2 gallons of water. Very warm water, but not hot. I allow the powders to fully dissolve before submerging all the items in, and then I will let them soak anywhere from 30 minutes to 4 hours, depending on how bad the problem is. You can also make this into a pre-treat paste, which works great on grout. And you do that by mixing a half a scoop of the Bright and White booster with your detergent of choice. So it could be with UPP, the liquid detergent, cover the stain, and then about 2 tablespoons of water. Cover the stain and let it stand for no more than 10 to 30 minutes, and then rinse the paste completely off. So besides laundry, you can use the Bright and White to clean various household surfaces. And for that, I will add about a third a scoop to a 16-ounce Forever spray bottle with just water in it. I'll fill it with water, mix it well, do a little shake, and I let it dissolve fully. That takes about 5 minutes. Then I will spray the surfaces let it sit on the surface for 2 to 5 minutes, and then I will wipe it with a clean, wet or dry Norwex microfiber cloth. So my go-tos are primarily the Enviro cloth for the majority of my household surfaces, or kitchen cloth when I'm working in the kitchen. So I love using this with both of them. This is a versatile product, and honestly, I love that I can use it on so many different surfaces that I often have a hard time cleaning. So it's tested to be effective on a wide range of items, including our clothing, fabrics, carpet, upholstery, shoes, countertops, grout, tile, and get this, quartz, granite, marble, even laminate, stainless steel. I've used it on copper sinks, ceramic, porcelain, vinyl, toilet bowls, you name it. Curtain liners, the shower liners that get a little mess, the range hood filters, trash cans, a diaper pail, you name it. Even my Norwex cleaning brushes, which I love. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you again real soon. Bye, guys.